Hello and welcome to our podcast series of Vigyan pe Charcha, Season 1, Episode 3, the podcast where we delve into exploring the world of science. This series is brought to you by CSIR-CSIO Chandigarh Jigyasa team. Jigyasa is a Hindi word which means curiosity to learn. I am your host Ashita Swami and today's topic is data science and its applications. On the show we have with us the guest for today, Dr. Divya Agarwal. Dr. Divya is Principal Scientist at Biomedical Applications Department at CSIR-CSIO Chandigarh, whose areas of research include avionics instrumentation, human factors and situation awareness. Ma'am will help us explore the exciting field of data science further today.
Hi Ashita, thank you for having me on this episode of yours. I'm very happy to be here.
As we know, ma'am, data science has become such a buzzword lately, but many people might still be unsure about what it really means. Could you shed some light on what data science really is?
To say, any science is basically, as you said, is related to jigyasa of learning. So as jigyasa, you already explained, is curiosity to learn. So if we talk about data science, if you will go by the words only, so it is the curiosity of learning about data, what data can give you. To be in very basic terms, we say everything now is in a form of data. It is more of a digital kind of technology, because anything starting from your birth to death, everything is recorded in the form of data. And when you have such kind of data, we usually call it as raw data. That raw data serves as an input for many kinds of information or analytics. So getting into that analytics is the field of data science.
Right, that was explained perfectly. Now moving on. How do you think, ma'am, data science is being applied in various industries?
Data science was in the base of everything, starting from marketing to your life. But now it has come predominantly into picture because now people are making more and more decision based on the machine learning algorithms and more data collected globally. This has also become dominant because of the digitization. Earlier, people from one part of the world did not know about the things happening in the other part of the world. But with more and more connectivity and everything, now you have access to any kind of information. When you have access to information, that means you can extract data from that information, and that data can be applied in any field. Like recently, if you see Cricket World Cup, how many kinds of analytics are going into cricket, the pitch, the analysis, like even people used to believe earlier only the human decisions given by the umpires, but now you have third umpire. So data science has got so deep into every basic aspect that be it healthcare, be it your marketing agency, be it how you even purchase the food, everything is now being governed. Every industry is now working with the help of data science. So it has got applications in every field.
So that was very well explained, that how data is being applied in every field in our day-to-day lives. The next question being, so with all the data being generated, privacy and ethics must be important considerations. So how should we address these concerns?
That's a very valid question, because what happens when we talk about data, now you have your personal data at stake. You also have confidential office data also on stake, because nowadays everybody works on a computer. So everything is in digitized form. So right from the basic, like this is a very common advisory given in all TV ads, and also do not disclose your OTP, do not disclose your passwords. That is the first level of security which you have to maintain personally. But even the government and all the other agencies, whatever websites you are working, how they are judged by the level of security they're in. Here the security means the level of encryptions, level of protections or server protections they are employing within their own system to stop any kind of data breaches. Because In today's world, the biggest threat to any company is if its data gets leaked. Its market value is going to drop, the share prices are going to drop, and they're going to suffer huge losses if they're not able to protect their customers' data. So technically there are lots of layers of encryption which are being done, but on personal levels, that's why it is advised that people should always have their passwords alphanumeric. Do not make it your birth date or your mother's name. So this is the like for kids, I would advise, do not even share your passwords with your best friends. You do not know when they are going to turn your enemy. You have to protect your data even from the age of your kindergarten, because you are using a mobile now. So that is my advice to the kids.
Right. That is very important advice, and we should all take care of our personal private data and keep all our passwords secure. So for our listeners who might be interested in pursuing a career in data science, what are your advices?
See, first of all, I would just suggest that you judge yourself. Do you enjoy tracking patterns or things from the data? Because just do not go by the float because it is in fashion, I want to be a data scientist. If you enjoy mathematics, if you enjoy stats, because it's not necessary every kid or child would enjoy doing Excel things, because just keep it in mind that anything you do, you make algorithms or something, if you are going to be into the field of data science, you have to do lots of mathematics, you have to deal with lots of stats and Excels and graphs. If you do not love that, please don't go into that. But if you enjoy tracking patterns in it, or analyzing things, like if you enjoy doing puzzles and the small aptitude test problems where you are told lots of variables are there, probabilities are there, so you can have a flavor from that. If you enjoy that, then data science is for you. You can enter data science field for any other application. If like you enjoy sports a lot and you enjoy predicting that, okay, this average is this pitch condition is this, you can go into sports analytics and pursue data science. If you enjoy, if you are in a mindset of working in the healthcare sector but do not want to be a doctor, but you enjoy making apps based on people's history and all, then you can enter the field. So, but basically, you should have the aptitude of getting into numbers a lot and analyzing the numbers and predicting the patterns. So, if you enjoy that, then it is for you.
Right, ma'am. So, as a beginner, if there is a student who is just beginning to have an interest in data science, so how should he or she pursue further?
See, at school level nowadays, there are many beginner programs available for, one should understand that data science is predominantly related to your computer science field's application, because in data science, it's not just analysis, you may have to work on making algorithms also. So, having an aptitude for coding, learning languages, whatever coding languages, you can start from C or C++, because the base remains the same. The platform may change, but you have to start learning or take a hands-on experience with coding. Nowadays, you have everything available in open source. You can learn from GitHub, you can do Python, you can do anything. And using, now it is so easy to learn that you can just go on a YouTube video, learn the thing. If you want to do their simulation softwares available, free license for students, they can just go and make an normal ID, like you want to just run like Simscape and MATLAB free versions, and many kinds of these toolboxes are available. If one is interested, they can just go online and try their hand. If they're finding it good, then they can start from the beginners level and go for intermediate and then further certifications. Lots of resources are available online.
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much, and I hope that our listeners will take more interest and apply what all you have said in their day-to-day lives, learning more about data science and its various kinds of applications. Thank you, Dr. Divya, for joining us today and providing such a valuable insight into data science and its applications. It has been a pleasure having you on this show.
Thank you so much, Ashita, for having me here, and it's my pleasure to get connected to many people through you. And I'm always happy to be here.
Thank you all for staying with us and listening with Jigyasa. We hope that you have gathered some clarity on the buzzing topic of data science and learn about a variety of its applications. I would like to thank Dr. Neerja Garg, Nodal, and Dr. Pooja Devi, Co-Nodal, Jigyasa team, CSIR-CSIO Chandigarh, for supporting us to present this incisive episode to you. Stay tuned till the next episode. Take care and thank you.